Video number three. Video number three. My daily video. Chilling with my nephew. Watching the fish if there is any.
Watching tornado siren.
What are you watching? Let me see. Tornado siren. His new addiction. Oh God. So we gotta run. Hurry. What we gotta do during a tornado?
Our Indiana tornado.
Why do you like them? Huh?
There's one over there.
There is.
By.
I don't see it.
Yeah, because it's in somewhere else by the place.
So when you hear a real tornado siren, what do you gotta do?
Go in the basement.
And what?
And go. And if you don't have if the basement ain't available, go in the bathroom.
He said if the basement ain't available. Well, yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to go in the bathroom if there's no basement available, right?
Mm-hmm.
And duck and cover until it's quiet again, huh? So a tornado don't get you. Okay, let's see if we can see a fish. Can't see nothing. There's a dead one. Big old dead catfish. Okay. And I'm out.